Meaning of Egypt.
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 Egypt. Egypt is a country located in North Africa, with a history that dates back to the ancient times of pharaohs and pyramids. The country's name Egypt likely comes from the ancient Greek word Aegyptos, which means the land of the Nile. Egypt is known for its rich cultural heritage, including impressive archaeological sites, historic monuments, and museums. The country is also famous for its pyramids, the Great Sphinx, and the Nile River. Today, Egypt is a modern country with a diverse population and a growing economy.